ప్రేమగానముల దీనతను భావది పరివాచీకరముగను ప్రేమగానముల దీనతను భావది పరివాచీకరముగను శ్రీమణి కామణి జనకి పెనాడిన శ్రీవేంకటగిరి శ్రీనిధికి శోభనమే 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 వైభవముల పావనమూర్తికి శోభనమే 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 శోభనమే.
फोटो कैमरा
We are coming to the final stages of the Kalyana Mahotsava. Now the Bhajan Vrindam will sing Mangalam. With this, the Bhajan program will also complete. Then we are going to serve Prasadam. Please listen very carefully. We allow ladies first. They have darshan here. Go out. When you go out, we give a laddu to everybody. Plus Chakra Pongal. Then the Prasadam as it is going to be served in packets. Kindly take the packets outside and please leave the temple premises as early as possible. After ladies finish, we allow the gents to have the darshan. The people who have participated in the Kalyanam, you please wait for our further instructions. Please don't move from your places. We request you to cooperate. With this, we have completed the Kalyan program. As I already announced you,